Your predictions are probably wrong. Even the most sophisticated computers fail at forecasting the future on a daily basis. They fail because real life is incredibly messy, and human behavior constantly disrupts our perfect mathematical formulas. To navigate this, we rely on a foundational algorithm called linear regression. It is designed to predict exact, continuous numbers. But there is a massive catch. For this algorithm to survive, it relies entirely on 5 strict hidden rules. To understand why these rules exist, look at reality. If you try predicting a student's starting salary based solely on their college grades, you might expect a clean, obvious correlation. Instead, the data points scatter everywhere. That wild scatter happens because of unquantifiable human factors. A student with poor grades might have incredible interview skills and negotiate a high salary. A perfect student might graduate the exact week a company slashes its hiring budget. You cannot measure luck or confidence, and these forces create intense, random statistical noise. The real world is deeply unpredictable, driven by forces we simply cannot measure. Because of this chaos, our predictive models are essentially just filters, trying to estimate a very messy truth. Linear regression attempts to make sense of this chaos by drawing a simple, straight line through the scattered data. It captures the overall general trend and minimizes the total prediction error. Our first rule is linearity. Data points perfectly align in a straight, upward-sloping trajectory. But watch what happens if the actual data pattern loops into tight curves. The rigid straight line stays exactly where it is. It completely misses the data, generating terrible predictions. The second rule is a bit of a mouthful: no multicollinearity. This simply means your input features must be totally independent from one another. They cannot copy each other. Imagine hiring 2 identical head chefs who share the exact same skills and cook the exact same dishes. When a meal turns out flawlessly, you cannot separate their individual contributions. An algorithm functions the exact same way when trying to assign credit to features that duplicate each other. If 2 input features are highly correlated, the algorithm gets completely confused. The underlying math becomes incredibly unstable, and tiny changes in your data will cause massive miscalculations. Having redundant data is just as dangerous as having wrong data. The third rule deals with your actual mistakes, known as residuals. Residuals are simply your prediction errors. They measure the exact distance between reality and what your model guessed. This histogram illustrates the rule of normality of residuals. Your errors must form a perfectly symmetrical, standard bell curve distribution. This specific shape dictates that most of your prediction errors are very tiny, while extreme, massive miscalculations are incredibly rare. It operates exactly like throwing darts at a dartboard. Most of your darts group tightly near the center. Very few fly completely off target and hit the wall. If your errors do not group tightly like this, your model is mathematically sick. Next is homoscedasticity. This rule demands that the variance of your prediction errors stays totally constant across all of your data. The data points form an even parallel horizontal band. Think of a highway. The lane stays the exact same width. But look at what happens when errors spread out. The band violently widens into a massive funnel shape as numbers grow. This funneling arrow spread is disastrous. It means your model loses accuracy quickly as the numbers scale up. Unchecked variance completely biases your standard errors and renders your confidence intervals totally useless. The fifth and final requirement is that there must be absolutely no autocorrelation. Every single prediction error must be totally independent of the next. One error cannot predict another. It is just like flipping a perfectly fair coin. Getting heads on your current flip does not change the outcome of your very next flip. Here, errors are forming a smooth, undulating sine wave pattern. This rolling wave means your model missed a massive, hidden systematic pattern. To be accurate, this wave must shatter into pure, unconnected random scatter with absolutely no discernible flow. Passing all 5 of these strict filter tests ensures your data contains no hidden biases. It transforms a simple mathematical approximation into a verifiable truth. Many beginners in data science assume we should abandon straightforward linear models entirely. They want to rely on complex deep learning neural networks to handle everything automatically. The problem with those neural networks is that they operate as a total black box. You cannot see inside them easily, and their internal decision-making cannot be understood or fully explained. Linear regression offers the exact opposite. It provides crystal clear transparency. You can explain every single decision perfectly, which is precisely the level of clarity demanded by corporate boardrooms and regulatory agencies. Mastering data science requires accepting the chaos of reality. You start by utilizing linear regression as your baseline, and then you rigorously verify the 5 assumptions before you deploy anything. Interviewers love to test this exact knowledge. Mastering this foundational theory, rather than blindly trusting AI software to do the work, is what separates highly paid data professionals from amateurs. True predictive power does not come from using the most complicated algorithm available. It comes from strictly enforcing the mathematical rules of reality. But this presents a fascinating problem. What is the mathematical solution when your data absolutely refuses to form a straight line?